Ever enter a breakout trade only to watch price reverse instantly? The candle length indicator MT4 helps you identify strong momentum candles so you can avoid weak setups and trade with real market conviction. This strategy focuses on measuring candlestick size and momentum strength in real time. The candle length indicator compares current candle size against the average candle range, so traders can instantly spot unusually strong bullish or bearish moves. Large candles often signal strong momentum, while small candles can warn of weak breakouts and low conviction. Buy setup. First, identify an uptrend or a key resistance breakout level. Wait for the candle length indicator to show a bullish candle that is larger than the average candle size, ideally 120% or more above the recent average. The bullish candle should have a strong body with small upper wicks, showing buyers are in control. Enter the buy trade after the breakout candle closes above resistance or after a bullish continuation candle confirms momentum. For extra confirmation, make sure price is trading above the 50 EMA or a key support zone. Place your stop loss below the breakout candle low or below the recent swing low. Take profit at the next resistance level or use a minimum 1 to 2 risk-to-reward ratio. Sell setup. Look for a downtrend or price approaching a major support breakdown area. Wait for the indicator to highlight a bearish candle with above-average size and strong bearish body momentum. Avoid weak breakdown candles with long lower wicks because they often lead to fakeouts. Enter the sell trade after the bearish candle closes below support or after a bearish continuation candle confirms selling pressure. Place your stop loss above the bearish signal candle or above the recent swing high. Take profit near the next support zone or trail profits while bearish momentum remains strong. The best candle length signals happen during active trading sessions like London and New York. Avoid trading oversized candles during major news spikes because volatility can create false breakouts. The candle length indicator MT4 helps traders spot real momentum, avoid weak setups, and trade stronger breakout opportunities with more confidence. Visit ForexMT4Indicators.com to download the free candle length indicator, templates, and more advanced Forex trading tools today.